The Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, or DSM-5, defines social anxiety disorder as causing individuals to fear acting in a certain way that might make them get judged, and it can cause anxiety that interferes with their normal routine, as well as their relationships. And what's more is the fear of anxiety is persistent, lasting for 6 or more months. Usually, social anxiety disorder causes distress for individuals in specific social situations or circumstances. For example, one person might get really anxious when making small talk with acquaintances or meeting new people, whereas another person might get performance anxiety and not feel able to give a presentation. That people who have the disorder usually understand that their anxiety is unwarranted, but unfortunately, that awareness can cause more anxiety because they'll fear that others can tell how anxious they are. Sometimes, individuals might worry that they may be having physical symptoms, like trembling or blushing, that others may notice and judge them for. Sometimes the anxiety can get so severe that it causes something called derealization, meaning that a person might feel spaced out and may be less able to recognize their surroundings. The DSM-5 states that in order to make a diagnosis of social anxiety disorder, the fear or avoidance shouldn't be due to the effects of a medication or due to another condition. And that's important because there are key features of social anxiety disorder that overlap with other conditions. For example, in generalized anxiety disorder, individuals have anxiety, but it's not limited to being judged in a social context. The anxiety is usually broader, and it includes non-social concerns, like finances or physical safety. Another example is agoraphobia, where people avoid public places for fear of being trapped and not being able to escape, just in case something embarrassing happens or if they begin to panic. But in agoraphobia, the fear is less about being judged and more about being trapped in a crowd and not able to escape.